I'll just throw you something you can catch, like a stick. It's right there. I think you're just too lazy to get it. I'll give you a Scooby snack if you get it. Grab the stick, I'll give you a snack. Bring the stick over here. I'm too lazy. My butt's stuck on the rock. Oh, come on! Get your lazy ass over here right now! Come on, Ryan! Get your lazy butt up and over here right now! Alright, I'm gonna show you something. Up. That was horrible! Go get it! Go get it! Go get it! Riley! Show me your butt to wag. Hi, you got it. Now bring it over. Bring it over. Let's play. You want to play? It looks like Riley wants to play. What will you do? Let's play. Let's do something else. Let's throw sticks and rocks and balls. I don't have a ball. You got sticks and rocks. You never cut a stick or rock in your lifetime. Actually, you cut sticks. But then you don't have to bring it back and wonder why I'm not throwing you anything. You gotta bring it back, buddy. It's about to go.